uncomfortable, that's all.
Carpool karaoke. Go on then, guys, let's have you singing.
Well, you don't sing it, you can start.
I was singing all night last night, I'll not be singing today. How's your ballsy going, or should we not talk about it?
Let's not go there, please.
Okay. I don't want to go there. Right, folks, walking into the motorcycle live.
I ordered one from Tom.
Sorry. Let's see how much money we can keep in our pockets.
It's glass and landed on the lens.
Are we queuing now to get paid for the car park then? Probably easier, isn't it? Like I say, it's not that big of a queue, is it?
Yeah.
It's similar to yours, is it, Jim? That does seem quite low.
Shall I send him a photo?
That does look low, that does.
It is a factory version, but it's also on the low setting as well.
Okay.
So that's a factory there as well. It's a bit higher, it's on the high setting. So it's a bit different between the two.
You're almost flat-footed there, Egon. Look at that for a seat, folks. Tweed seat. Beautiful. You won't want that getting wet though, would you?
Kind of sit forward on it.
It forces you to sit forward.
Yeah. There's a lump there in the seat.
Well, I'll take that as a green light for me to go and put a deposit on it with your credit card then. Well, it's bigger. These are all 800s, aren't they? I like that. Nice screen, that, isn't it?
One of them, I think it's about 4 different screens from that.
Is it?
Yeah. If it's the same as the street trouble. I had a test ride in the street trouble. There was 4 different screens you could have.
What, that you can choose to have, like change?
You can toggle them through that.
Yeah, it's on like a demo mode, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's cool though, that. Feels nice and all. Oh, like them foot pegs. Look at how chunky they are.
Yeah.
Show that second, on. Then, so you can choose between 4 different screens that you want to have. That's lovely, nice. So look how chunky foot pegs are. It's a good solid. That's really nice.
So can you?
Oh, my triangle.
They can adjust. Screen looks like it can be adjusted, doesn't it? Yeah.
There'll be some of it. Will it be electric?
Might be electric.
I bet it is electric.
LEDs are lovely up front as well, aren't they?
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
That's lovely, that is. I love that front end. LED adaptive corners and all. Tiger Talk, I love that.
Nice, that.
Yeah, very nice. Feels lovely.
It's got heated seats.
That's cool.
Heated grips. I'm not sure about that button there for grips.
You'd probably catch that all the time, I bet, wouldn't you? I really like that. It's got crystal white and marine colour. Yeah, lovely, isn't it? I love this.
Yeah, just nice.
What's that? What's the lock thing for?
Unless it's to block the screen or something. You've got to, I'm assuming, home button to
Yeah,
on your
that's
menu.
the menu, yeah.
That might be just to lock the screen.
I really like that.
Heated pillion seat.
Brilliant.
Shaft drive.
We'll have to have a trip up to Triumph, Egon, and take a couple out and film it. Here we are. We just met up with Andy Simpson. It's been a few years in making, hasn't it? We keep missing each other, and yeah, we met up, and he just told us that he's moving. I reckon he's stalking.
Maybe. Maybe. You're a good-looking chap.
All these people moving closer to us. Anyway, yeah, have a good day, mate. We'll see you at 9 for Christmas, for Wildbad Christmas do.
Cheers.
All right, pal. We'll see you in a bit, matey. Expected that today. So here we are at the bike show. There's loads of stuff going on. Keep having a look around for bikes for Dad, for Barry. Obviously, those that followed the Picos tour will know what happened to Barry. If you didn't see it, or if you've forgotten what happened, have a look at this photo. So we keep looking around for bikes for him, and we found out yet. One over there that was quite suitable. Go and have a look. Yeah, Barry, we were looking at this one and thought this one might be quite suitable for you. What do you think?
Are you busy?
Not at all. What do you think to that then, Barry? I think that'll do you. You'll be alright on that one. Are you going?
Nice to meet you. I watch your videos all the time. I really love the American series.
Oh, mate, thank you very much.
I didn't even think you'd be here, so...
Yeah, we're here all day, and yeah, see how many people we can look into. So, yeah, little lads here. Darren. What's your name, mate?
Josh.
Nice to meet you, Josh.
Nice to meet you. Cheers, buddy.
Nice to meet you, mate.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
Yeah, you too.
See you soon, mate. Please.
What's your on?
Where are you?
Say mind your own business.
They're down by North.
That weren't too far from where we came in, was it?
It said that there's a few of them.
There's a few of them?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll go all the way then. Apologies. Riff Raff's turned up.
Hello.
I'm going big lad.
Yeah, good.
Good to see you. Rachel, how are you? You alright, darling? How are you? You're not hurt or anything?
No.
No, you're alright. Alright, darling. Lovely to see you.
And you?
When you were just on phone to Egon, I said when Daz turns up, say, "Oi, outside."
I wasn't that concerned.
He looks badass with this one, doesn't he?
Yeah, it's taken me half a year.
Only thing is, once you have him, you can't ever shave him off. You shave him off and you realise you've got a big chin underneath. I shake mine off like, oh, I need to grow that back.
We've been getting a few double takes on the t-shirt.
Oh yeah? Look at this beauty, look at them tyres. Look at the clearance between the tyre and the forks. That is crazy close. You want to make sure you got your tyre pressures right every day with that, wouldn't you? But how cool is that? Little crown on tank. Maybe next time we roll through California, we'll have one of them.
Yeah. They got there early this year, about 12, so
Yeah, we managed to. But we still thought, with that many bikes, we're still going to be bumping into a load. And I just thought, if we get stuck in that, we're in trouble. Yeah. So thanks for that. Yeah. Good work. Yeah, thank you very much, mate. Yeah, let's go and grab a beer.
There you go.
You can almost rest that on your shoulder.
Walking around like this, really.
I've been told
That's what I've been doing all morning.
We always press that on the
So it went downhill when Darren and Jolene turned up. We're having a lovely time.
Yeah. Polite conversation and everything. I'm from Devon and Jolene's from Essex, so we it's better, you know?
No, I haven't seen that yet either. No. Lads, how are you feeling in your suits?
We're doing fine.
Yes, we very nearly came on bikes. And Gaz managed to flag his dad's car, so we come in cars and we're all kind of, well, we're actually quite hot, aren't we, these t-shirts?
Yeah. I'm glad we've had a beer.
Bitter. Yeah.
But he wanted to take a load of photos, and he was like, let's take some more, let's take some more. And then it got to like, it was a hairpin we stopped, and then the hairpin we stopped, because we hadn't taken that, we'd just been riding it, enjoying it, and it was like, oh fuck, we better stop taking them. That's crazy.
You have to do that, don't you? Because if you don't, you just don't have anything.
Well, yeah, no, but
you just have to get used to.
No, but we were like, wow,
Yeah,
wow,
exactly.
and then we just forgot, we just enjoying riding along. And then we were like, oh, we better get more like Richie, otherwise we're going to get in trouble. We're going to get back. We're like, you haven't done nothing.
We did the Norway tour, and I don't know if you've seen that.
Yeah.
But we did the bit where the Norway one was pissing down the whole way, weren't it? But
it's weird hearing your voice. It's like, I look at my laptop with my headphones on, and now you're like, you're standing in front of me.
We haven't got the American accent.
Because I was just saying, I could soon turn it off. But that ice lake, we'd stopped like 2 seconds before it, we were going. Everyone were getting a bit pissed off with stopping all the time, and you know, because it was raining, you're taking this off, that off, that off, just take a photo. So we stopped, and then we went around another corner, and the ice lake set. I thought, I've got to stop and take a picture of that. So I'm thinking, everyone's going to be going, oh my god, we just want to go. What time will you get home? It's all stupid.
Are you going home tonight?
Yes.
Yeah. It's 2.5 hours, isn't it? We go motorway home. It took us about 3.5 km, but we went a bit not windy, but we just went straight motorway.
Well, I'm safe tonight. Hope it's not too cold for you.
Thank you, you're nice for.
We leave in about half hour. We should go about an hour after it's done.
Go on then.
Let's go. Thank you.
See you later. Hello, old friend. It is a cracking bike, that. It is a cracking bike. Yeah, see, more like that. Yeah.
In the front room, roaches in the back, junkies in the alley with the baseball bat.
Go, mate.
Yeah, you would. I would hold one of these. I've never ridden it. I've never ridden a Harley.
I can see Jolene hiding up that back seat.
Just to see what more pushing
Brace yourself, Rick.
Is she doing it again?
Yeah.
Brace yourself.
He bumping in.
I'm waiting for my shoulders to...
2 things stuck in your ears. You got some nice pillars behind you.
Nice pillars behind me, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.